So let's take a look and take apart the Xtrfy MZ1. This is the Frost edition from Rocket Jump Ninja, and we'll see exactly how this thing's put together, whether it's something you should be using. So hi, I'm Beardedbob. I've been gaming for 35 years, checking out the latest mice, keyboards, gaming peripherals, doing some reviews, as well as some modifications to get you that competitive edge over your rivals. So if you want to learn from someone who's been around for decades, then you come to the right place.
Definitely more white than I expected. White is. The coating feels a bit smoother on this one, I find. Don't know. It's pretty much the same as the other one, just the colour's different as expected. We knew that anyway. White sides here as well.